Is your financial situation out of control?
Are you struggling to get out of debt?
Do you want to learn how to invest?
Are you afraid that you're not on the right track for retirement?
Are you thinking about buying a home soon?
Do you want to know how to use credit cards the right way, save on taxes, or buy a house?
If you answered yes to any of those questions,
Then you are in the right place.
this is the Personal Finance Masterclass.
The online course that teaches you to master your money.
My name is Phil Ebner, and I'm a personal finance nerd. I'm co-teaching this class with Mike and Lauren, who have been YouTubing about personal finance and retiring early for many years. This isn't your traditional personal finance course.
We're not bankers, and we are not going to give you fake ways to get rich fast.
We're just honest personal finance nerds who want to help you get control of your finances.
What will you be able to do by the end of this course?
By the end of this course, you'll know the exact steps to take for you and your family to achieve financial freedom.
You'll understand how to budget the smart way, how to use credit cards properly,
How to increase your income, pay off debt, and start investing.
how to pay for education, how to save on taxes, how to combine finances and be on the same page as your partner, and so much more.
We designed this course for the average person, young or old, who wants to get a better grasp on their finances.
These things aren't taught in school, but in order to succeed at life, you need to know how money works and how to master it.
Because while money doesn't buy happiness, it sure does make life a lot easier.
Thanks for watching. If you're ready to master your finances, we'll see you inside.